Hi friends, welcome to IntelliCloud. In this video, I am going to show you how to create Snowflake trial account. To create Snowflake trial account, what are the prerequisites we need, how we can create Snowflake trial account, what is the validity of trial account, what version we can select, all I am going to show in this video. Let's start. The agenda for today's video is what are the prerequisites to create Snowflake trial account and how to create Snowflake trial account. Prerequisites are to create any Snowflake account, we need any email like either Gmail ID, Yahoo or Outlook, whatever it is, which is not used before to create Snowflake account. And we need just a URL like signup.snowflake.com. I'll provide this URL in the description. So click on this link and to create Snowflake account. As we discussed, to create Snowflake tile account, we need a fresh email ID which is never used to create Snowflake account earlier. So in this case, I have created a Snowflake account freshly. IntelliCloud test is my email ID I'm going to use to create Snowflake account and an URL. So for this URL, either you can copy and paste in a browser or in the Google, you can search for create Snowflake and click on the first link on the search bar. So it will take you to sign up form. Here, provide all the details like first name, last name, company email. Provide first name, last name, company email. Company email is not required. We can use our own Gmail or personal email ID. Provide the company name like test company. Select any role from the list and select country and continue. So here in the next step, it will ask you to select edition, like each edition having their own separate features. So here I am selecting business critical. So business critical will have all features standard, enterprise and more feature with respect to the business critical. So what are the features, what are the difference between these three editions, we will discuss in next upcoming videos. So here choose what is the cloud provider. Actually, for Snowflake itself doesn't have any cloud platform. So this Snowflake will work on top of the existing cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure or AWS or Google Cloud. Based on your requirement or based on your wish, so you can select anything. So you don't see any difference by selecting these three. So I am selecting Microsoft Azure Cloud. So which location you want to? So I am selecting Southeast Asia, Singapore, and click here to indicate have read agreements and get started. Wait for few minutes, it is getting ready. This will send an email with all your account details and all to your Gmail ID, whatever you used. The email has arrived. Just click on it. So here you need to activate Snowflake account. So click here to activate. So here the first time it asks you the username and password to log in into your Snowflake trial account. So here the password is like follow this password policy and give the password. So here I am giving the password and I'm creating the users initial user. So this is going to be your admin user. So admin user or org user. So this is the URL you are going to use to log in into your Snowflake trial account. So copy URL and either you can bookmark it or save it somewhere else. Next, so these are the welcome screen, like how you can start, what exactly this is, load data into Snowflake. So all these are the worksheets. This is a predefined worksheets. If you go through one worksheet, it will give you what you can, so how you can use account admin, how you can use warehouse, how you can use, how you can create the database. So these are the predefined scripts. Just, this is our, we are starting trial account, right? So this is the pre-existing data sheet. This is your Snowflake UI. Once you log in into your Snowflake, this is the UI. We have two types of UIs. One is a snow site and another one is a classic UI. So if you want to see the documents, just click on this Snowflake icon. It will take you to the Snowflake documentation. Snowflake document is the best ever software document as I see, because here you can see each and everything clearly explained, easy to understand, easy to reuse. For example, is a create database. So you can copy this here, just simply replace the name and based on the requirement you can give optional parameters, then execute, the database will be created. Once you create a Snowflake account, you can get 30 days free trial. So in this 30 days, whatever you want, you can use all the Snowflake features. So here when we create the Snowflake account, we used business critical edition. So You can use whatever you want. If we check the left menu, here this is the worksheets. Worksheets are nothing but where we can run our DDL or DML queries, and these are the dashboards. Like based on the data, whatever we have in this current account, we can create dashboards. Here, this is the data. Data will give you the databases, schemas, all the information we can find in under data tab. So if you want to share something, here you can say sharing, provider studio, data governance, and this is the marketplace activity tab. It gives you all your query executions, any copy history, like any data is copied from multiple sources, task history, any tasks are running on your database, and any dynamic tables. And this is the admin section. So admin section, you can see what is the cost, what is the warehouses, what is the users and roles, what is any security, billing and terms and billing information, contacts, like with whom you need to contact, like security, admin, privacy, everything, and accounts. Here we have only one account. Org admin users can create multiple accounts in one organization. And any partner connect is nothing but if you want to use other data provider data one, and help and support. That's it for today. So in next session I will show you how to create users, how to create roles, how to assign roles to a particular user, why we need these roles and users, schemas, what are the databases, what are the tables, etc. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.